Joya Lucas unveils the exquisite Diamond Wedding Collection by Pride in Bangalore. 29th March 2025. Joya Lucas, the world's favorite jeweler, marked a grand celebration of elegance and timeless love with the grand launch of the new Diamond Wedding Collection by Pride. The exclusive launch event was held on 28th March 2025 at the Joya Lucas showroom on AMG Road, Bangalore, and was inaugurated by actress Malvika Sharma. The evening was alive with dazzling displays and exquisite diamond pieces that captivated all the visitors. The Diamond Wedding Collection by Pride is meticulously crafted to reflect the brilliance and beauty of every bride's special day. From resplendent diamond necklaces to elegant earrings, intricate bangles, and statement solitaire rings, the collection delivers a perfect blend of traditional and contemporary styles. Sharing his thoughts at the event, Joya Lucas, Chairman and Managing Director of Joya Lucas Group.
Namaste. Good evening, guys. Thank you for having me here, and thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for calling me here and making me part of Joya Lucas. I'm very happy to be part of Joya Lucas, to be honest. And as you can see today, also I'm wearing this beautiful diamond piece for the launch of the Diamond Collection ad. And I'm very grateful to be here, and I can see the amazing collection they have. And to be honest, after doing the TV commercial, even I feel like I want to wear these pieces like for my marriage, or when I want to do my sangeet or my mehendi or any functions for that matter, or maybe I'll get something for my birthday. Like, these pieces are so beautiful. So yeah, and I mean, thank you for everything, sir, and I'm genuinely grateful to be part of Joya Lucas. Thank you. Which collection? Well, if you have seen the TV commercial, you'll see the cocktail piece that is very beautiful, a long piece which has a very nice big stone that is beautiful. And if you see the marriage scene, the one that I have on my hair, that is very beautiful. It's a very precious piece, and this one as well, the one that I'm wearing, it's very beautiful. I love it. I genuinely love it. I'm gonna steal this piece, not really, but yeah, this is also very beautiful. To be honest, all the collection, whatever I've seen, it's amazing. And I actually never thought diamonds could be so interesting. Like, I was never a fan of diamonds, to be honest, earlier. But after doing the commercial, I started liking it so much that I genuinely want to buy them all.
About Bangalore, ma'am?
About Bangalore, wow. Bangalore is a beautiful city. I love it. Like, I'm from Mumbai. So I think another city that I love after Mumbai is definitely Bangalore, and the love that you get in Bangalore is very different, and I'm glad that we could launch this here in Bangalore itself.
Malvika for the great launch of our diamond bridal collection. So she has come all the way from Bombay for doing these honors, and it is a great evening for all of us. We expect excellent support from the people of Bangalore, because Bangalore is a happening place. Bangalore innovations, they love it. Heritage, they love it. Bangalore people adopt to fashions very quickly. It is a very fashionable city. So we are really honored to have this launch here today at Bangalore. So tomorrow onwards, these products will be made available at all our major shops across the country. So we solicit the continued support of the Bangalore Elite crowd, which is supporting us from the very inception of this store in MG Road. We have been getting continuous support, not only from Bangalore, the entire Karnataka, entire South India. Thank you, Bangaloreans, for this excellent support which you have been showering upon us. Please continue to do that. Thank you. Thanks a lot.